that people sort of see the changing manufacturers, the different places that people have been, the names actually. There are fascinating changes of names of the sort of the ranges and so on. You know, you find lots of things called things like baronial or I don't know, old colonial or well, for example, one is colonial village. You know, but now I mean some of the new ranges are called things like sort of big jog bowl, and you know, you can really see a sort of changing history through that I think is really fascinating. But also the changing technology, you know, hand painted and underglazed, or microwave and dishwasher friendly, or freezer safe, or you know, some of those things. I hope that it kind of provokes people to think a little bit about how something as absolutely ordinary as a teacup or a, you know, side plate or something can tell you about our history. Yeah, and you know, to tell us that this was kind of one of the birthplaces of the Industrial Revolution. We owe such a lot to Stoke, and I would like to think that people have some way of physically realising it through just a little item that you can hold in your hand, you know. Everyone's got one.